Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set to automatically delete messages in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube review statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Zello app. And here it opens up in the context menu. From here we're just going to the top right corner, tap on the three dots, then tap on options, then we tap on history. And at the top we find automatically delete messages, and that below that a toggle list. If you tap on the toggle list, we can set a time for messages to be deleted. So we can set it to delete right away, so after we receive a message we can reply to it, but then it's going to be deleted. Or we can just set it 14 days, 21 days, 30 days when I sign out. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.